We're going to talk through an anterior hip mobilization here. We like to use this one a lot for individuals who are seated throughout the day. We start getting kind of that anterior hip tightness. And then also runners. We get a lot of kind of that hip flexor tightness as well. The goal here is to try to relax into this as much as you can. We're doing a banded mobilization, which is going to actually be pulling that hip joint forward a little bit. And you should feel a good stretch, but you should also feel kind of deep inside, kind of a gapping of that joint a little bit. So what we're going to do is wrap this band as high as you can up around that hip, and it's going to be pulling you forward. So as high as you can. And then we're going to be in a kneeling position. Once you relax into this position, nice and upright, you're going to feel that stretch kind of start there. It's good to use a pad for this one for the knee, especially if you have knee tenderness. What we're going to do here though is try to pair our breathing with this mobilization. So we're going to go deep breath in. And as you breathe out, you're going to try to draw that rib cage kind of down and try to almost lean that pelvis forward and allow that band to take your hip forward. As it goes forward, you're going to feel that stretch increase and try to relax into the band as much as you can. What we can also do with this is add a little bit of a hip movement into here. So we can do some internal and external rotation and kind of experiment. Maybe your foot's out here. Try doing that. You're going to get a little more of a lateral hip stretch. If you're here, a little more of kind of a front of the hip type stretch, hip flexor stretch. We can also grab that foot and get a little more of a quad stretch into this as well. So we're breathing here, trying to relax into it and getting that good quad stretch while focusing on deep breathing.